that our swimming as a sport is back. Swimming has been under suspension since 2019 and under a ban since August this year, 2023. And because of a lot of wrangles and problems that has beset Aquatic Kenya, or the Swimming Federation of Kenya, for a long time. But for the last 10 or so months, we have been involved in a lot of behind the scenes conversations. We have engaged World Aquatics many times. I have had meetings with World Aquatics, both physical and virtual. And then last month we had a forum where I brought together all the stakeholders in the sport of swimming. And we agreed on a roadmap. We agreed on a certain fundamentals that we needed to clear out of the way. We have cleared a lot of them out of the way. And I'm delighted that yesterday, World Aquatics communicated officially that they had both the and swimming. So I'm looking forward to Kenya swimmers to get back into international competitions, to fly the Kenyan flag. Most significantly, we want now to prepare Kenyan swimmers to participate in Olympic qualifiers so that we can get our swimmers to participate in the Paris Olympics 2024.